morning everyone, and welcome to the college moving vlog, sophomore edition. I feel a little bit tired, but honestly at the same time very energized and ready to head to campus, so let's get this started. I'm in my apartment now, and so I'm literally sitting on like the little folding chair right now. It's pretty nice. The only thing though is there is such a mess right now in the room because I still need to really do a bit of a deep clean of the room right now because I still feel a little icky right now because not everything's cleaned and wiped down, like my table, my drawers, I need to like vacuum in the bedroom stuff, like the floors, vacuum the mattress and make sure everything's cleaned and sanitized and make sure I can do all that before I can actually unpack and unload things. But guys, this is what we're working with right now. Honestly, with the right amount of work and effort put in, it can be a space that I'm really going to enjoy being in this year. I feel like I didn't really do much filming in this vlog so far. I didn't really vlog the actual moving process other than like that one time lapse of us moving stuff into my room. So most of this is probably going to be actually more so of a room transformation. Figuring out what we're gonna do with the space right now. The lighting is a few tiny cobwebs up in the closet. God forbid there's a spider in there. We're gonna clean out over here in the closet because there's stuff up there. I'm gonna clean that. I don't want to do the desk yet because I feel like the desk space is something I really want to figure out over time. This is gonna go in the closet. That's gonna stay in the closet, the clothing, everything. I have my shoes and the hangers and everything. I don't want to move those yet because I, again, have to clean up there before I fill that space in. The floor is something that I need to take care of. Like, I'm not usually someone to be wearing shoes while I am in a house because in my house we take off our shoes when we enter, but because we haven't cleaned the floors anywhere here, my shoes are on right now. Let's see if we can turn this place around. Okay, so now I'm gonna be trying to clean inside of these drawers because we don't know what's been in here. So we're really just deep cleaning absolutely everything in this room. Desk and drawers finally wiped down. We can finally unpack everything and get things where they need to be. And that starts with making the bed. I'm starting to feel a little bit tired. We still have to make all this. Time to put on the bedding. Bed done. Hey guys, so I just finished the bed. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I think it's because the walls are thinner and my voice carries really easily. And I have all this stuff to do with the desk situation over here. I really do want to set this up tonight. I have a really strong feeling that I'm going to be up pretty late tonight just to try to get as much done as possible. So this has a bunch of bathroom items, and so because of that, I really don't know what I'm going to do with it. So we'll see. We'll see. The apartment's looking so good right now, and honestly, like, also you guys, like, our TV. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. I'm gonna take a little snack break and finish up this Panda Express that I ordered a lot earlier for lunch with my family because I'm starting to get a little bit hungry and I still want to do a lot of work here. There's still so much stuff in the background. Ignore that. I still have a bunch of things here on the desk. I'm going to try to work on putting away some of my academic related items here on the side. Potentially after that, start working on clothing related stuff. All right, so what I'm thinking is that this cart is going to be like a snack cart because I don't want to put my snacks over in the pantry necessarily. All of them are basically in this box right now. Snacks up here, maybe some of these hygiene products go all the way at the bottom because I don't need them right away. They're just replacements. This cart is gonna hold all of my academic things like folders and papers and all that stuff right here on the side. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. Resume tomorrow. I didn't really get around to doing the clothing, but that's something I can definitely do tomorrow. Probably go to sleep after I prep my skincare, wash my face, go to bed, and we'll start it up from the top again tomorrow morning.